Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with BigCommerce affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with the BigCommerce affiliate program, visit the official BigCommerce website. Scroll down to the footer of the home page. Look for the affiliates link and click on it. You will be directed to the BigCommerce affiliate program page. Read through the program details to understand the benefits and requirements. To proceed, find and click on the Join Now button. You will be taken to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a unique username and password for your account. Next, provide your website URL or the platforms you'll be promoting BigCommerce on. Make sure to include a brief description of your marketing strategies. Review the program's terms and conditions before accepting. Once you've agreed, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verifying, log in to your BigCommerce affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find your unique affiliate link, banners, and promotional materials. Take some time to explore the resources available for affiliates. You can track your performance and commission earnings in the dashboard. Once you're ready, start promoting BigCommerce on your chosen platforms. Utilize the materials provided to create engaging content for your audience. Regularly check in on your dashboard to monitor your success. Stay updated on any changes or new offers from the BigCommerce affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.